Hi, my name is Bruno and I'm a web designer from Canada. The reason I'm contacting you is because your website is built on Drupal 7 and Drupal 7 is going to get discontinued very soon. Now you might think, does it matter? Well, actually it does, because if you don't migrate your website to Drupal 10 or another platform, you're at risk of getting hacked. And I don't have to tell you that's something you really don't want. Something else that's going to happen as time goes on is your website's going to start to break. Things won't work, but the thing is you won't even know what's wrong with it. So that's a big problem. Now, I don't know why you didn't upgrade. Maybe it's too expensive. Maybe you have no time, but I can understand because the upgrade to Drupal 10 is actually quite expensive. Now, you could migrate from Drupal 7 to Drupal 10, but I usually recommend going WordPress if you're a small business. So if this is something that might interest you, I give totally free audits, no obligation. And even if you don't hire me, you can use your team or find somebody else. I'll steer you in the right direction for the best way to migrate your website, because I've done a lot of Drupal 7 to WordPress migrations. So I'm sorry for disrupting your day with this message, but this is something you should really think about. It's something you really need to do. So thanks for watching this and hoping to hear from you.